Hello members, now today we would like to go through the creating a table of contents. Mostly the table of contents shows you the heading and so on, where you will find a particular head on the page, difference page and so on. So we help you in tracking. So we create something of this and we come here, break these pages so that you can find multiple pages as we see. Come here and come here, we break it from here. I think definitions will have the examples of like explanations. That is in the definitions and break the page here. Break the page here, still we come here, barriers we have the solutions and so on. Have the solutions and so on. We still have here break the page, I understand, like this. So I would like to insert the pages, page mark, page bottom, page number, bottom. I think bottom will be easy for me. Come here, up here, just and we say page on this, say this. I think we shall just leave it there and we page numbers on this. But on this we can come here to headers and footers. Just come here and we take something of this kind, blended words. So should we have this our page like this one, and we insert those things there. So that kind, page 1, page 2, page 3 and so on. Page 1 or page 2 header, we can put there Fred, something like that. Fred will be our header everywhere. I think appropriate meaning. So after that, now we would like to, so this is our page 1, isn't it? So if we want to create the header, we come on this one. So if this one wants to be our header, just come on this one and we click on this one, come down, click on this one, that kind, and come down. Next page. So after that we come here. This is normal. We put it in heading. You understand? Heading. Also we come to this one. Where is it? On page 2. Come to definitions. Definitions, I understand. And also we put it in heading. Come down here. Also computer, introduction to computer, definition, barriers, and we also put in barriers here, and also we put it in a heading. Understand? Like heading. Also we come here, types also. Now we put here, put it in heading. You're gonna realize that all these which are putting in heading, they are having the same style as you look at this one and this one. So that's it. Now this one will be like the heading on everything. So if we want something under that, we shall say now this one will be our heading too. This one, if this one is our heading too, it will be introduction. It will be under introduction as our heading. You understand? Introduction to computer. You understand? And we come here. So this one will be under introduction of that. So we shall read computers. We shall look at the examples. Understand? The examples will be under computers. You understand? So I come here. I call this one our page what? Our heading what? Our heading, because it will be under that definition. It will be, by the way, if I can change this even, because if I look at what introduction, and I come to computers. That's when under computers, that is when I will have to define my definition of computers. I will have to define this as computers. So I can still put this one as my definition at the head 2, and even still examples will be under the examples of the what, and I put it in heading what, and still in heading 2. You understand? Examples, if I examples of that. So if I look at what, at barriers will be look at, I can even still put this one as my heading 1 and my heading 2, barriers, because it will be barriers under communication. You understand? Barriers under communication, something of what you're doing, what barriers under communication, but still you can have it as heading 2, 3, because I know solutions will not be under the other. Solutions will be under what? Solutions will be under the barriers. So I would like to check for heading 4. I rather put there heading 4 because I know the barriers will be, the solutions will be under barriers. Understand? I come back here. Types will be heading 1, but under heading 2, this one will be heading 2 because types of mass and this. Understand? It will be this. And I put it in heading, and put it in heading what? The heading, heading, heading. Wait, my heading 2. I understand this one. Why is it not coming? Why is it not coming? My heading 2. Understand? Of that kind. So this one will tell you the results. So that the definition, the examples and barriers. So under barriers, I will have what? I will have solutions. So definitions and this. This one is showing you the layout. The introduction will be up of it, and I will define the definitions. I will have the examples. I will have other definitions of this. I will have this, and barriers will give us solutions. After that, I will look at the topics, the types. So after the types, I will have the what? I will have the rules and so on. So if I want that, and I come here just to view something, and I come here, up here, up there, and I say I have to put here, and I say if I come here and I say I'm done with something, everything and so on. Now after that, after giving it headers and so on and so on, I just come here up and I create some space here, and I come to references. So if I have to references here, I'll have the table of contents. After that, I'll come here. I can customize. I can go with this. You understand? And I say I want it to be applying like this, and I apply it here. Automatically, it will look like this. So it will tell you the contents that I have with the introduction, first page. So after the introduction, I will have the definition on second page and examples. Understand? After that, I will look at the barriers under this. So I will look at types of communication as different, and I will look at the massive, the massive and interpersonal, something of that. This is how our table content it will look like. Thanks very much.